Stop.
Sprained your neck.
I know.
Why are you recording?
Cause I feel like it.
What do you want me to do?
Nothing. Like nothing.
What do you mean nothing?
Just nothing. How was I even start to record you at all?
You are recording.
Duh.
What are you recording for?
Just because.
Why? Just tell me.
Just because.
Just tell me.
You're ruining the vibe of all the nature. Look at all this nature.
What?
I just said it.
I couldn't hear you. What did you say?
You make me want to say it again. I'm not going to.
Please.
You spray my neck with bug spray. I don't.
Please.
No, you sprayed my neck.
I'm sorry.
You're not sorry.
You can swear I'm sorry. Just tell me.
Tell you about what?
What you were saying.
You're ruining the vibe of the nature. I guess. I don't know.
You're mean. I'm leaving.
You going back down there to the storm shelter?
I'm gonna cry with my pine cones.
Okay. No, you're not.